An interview alone is not enough to describe how much this group and these people mean to me. I briefly mentioned how youth is like a family to me, and I mean it. These workers were there when I didn't know where to go or be. They have helped me through so much with my personal growth and who I have become today. They showed me it is okay to be different and it is okay to have your down day. I have learned to accept myself for who I am and that my mistakes and little negative actions do not make me a bad person. Youth is family. Youth is a second home. And youth is a place in my heart forever and always. I'd just like to say a thank you again to the youth workers, Phil, Dan, Reese, Ryan, Josie, Hayley. One of the closest people to my heart's Ali, as she was the main person who used to help me when I started coming to youth. There's not enough words to describe how thankful I am for everyone, and I've probably missed a couple of people who I should have mentioned. But you all know who you are, you all know me, and I love every one of you. Joseph Emin, aka Little Choc / Choco.